this part of the screen we can see the 3D mesh of the sweater. Like these pictures indicate, you can use your mouse to turn the mesh around in all directions. With the mouse wheel you can zoom in and out, and use your right mouse button to move it around your screen so you can have a closer look at the patterns you're making. These buttons are for predefined turning and position of the sweater, so if you lose control of it, you can always pull these buttons to get it in a predefined position. Up here you can give the sweater a name, like so, and your name here, like this. Then you are given this name will follow it. When you save it, the name will be saved too. And you can also add a small description here. Like this. This button here, you can click this button and you can see the stitch count that you selected when you got the new pattern window, so you can have a look at it back what you selected, and you can't change anything, but you can view it just to see how many stitches there are on the shoulders and how many rounds there are in the shoulder pattern and so on. You can see all this just by clicking this button. With this button you can save an image of the sweater. Oh, we'll call this tube, like this, and we save it. So we can open a picture, or we can send it to the internet, or with an email to our friends to have them marvel over our design. When drawing a pattern, you can always change colors by pushing the appropriate number key on your keyboard. So you can see I changed the colors just by pressing the appropriate number on my keyboard. You can change the length of the decreases where you want to position them, both up and down and also to the sides. You can even add more decreases, but be aware you're changing the shape of the shoulders when you do this. You can undo or redo what you're doing, or you can use keyboard shortcuts to do it also. On the top we have a check button to mirror every second pattern, and to the left of it we have a check box to display or hide numbers. The pattern windows can be expanded or collapsed. You can only have one expanded at a time, but you can collapse them all. You can also collapse the color window, so you can have a better look if you have a small screen. This is the color selection area. At the moment we can choose from two yarn manufacturers, the Icelandic Eastex and the Faroese Navia. And then we have the third choice of multicolors. When using the multicolors, the colors are named by the red, green and blue indexes. On the color picker you can also key in the indexes for the red, green and blue, or choose just from the color picker itself with your mouse. To save a pattern, we choose File and Save. We give it a name. Your design gets saved to a file that's called the Preon file. It has the ending of a .preon. It's a simple text file, so you can save it to your My Documents folders, and then you can send it as an attachment in email to your friends. They can then open the file in Knittingpatterns and make changes to it, and print out a PDF document of instructions. And when you're satisfied with the design, you can make instructions on how to knit the sweater. You go to File and you make PDF, and then we have the name we gave the sweater and the author, and then we click OK, and we give the PDF document a name. Okay, and we save it. It takes a little bit of time, so just be patient. You can't do nothing now while it's making the PDF document. Okay, it's made it. So we'll get it and open it, and we saved it to a document folder, and we'll get it open. Just a minute. We called it YouTube PDF. Okay, we'll get it a little bit smaller so we can see it, and then we have a PDF document with I think 5 pages, and we have the chart here, the colors we use, the chart, and all the patterns, sleeve patterns and everything, and then we have the new pattern window so we can see all the measurements and our gauge and stitch count and rounds count and everything, and then we have a detailed instruction on how to knit the pattern, and this you can print out or send to your friends, and you can read it off the screen or you can print it out.